Okay, this is my review of this Yuctosun magnifying glass. I bought this last August. I think it's about double the price now that it was last August. Of course, that's your Bidenomics for you, but do not restart now. Sorry. This thing went about 1 year and died, and maybe a little more than a year. And it died while I wasn't using it because I got a little sick and I didn't use it for months and months. It was just sitting there. And then when I went back to use it, dead. So that gives it low stars. The 4.5, I'm going to be giving it a pretty bad review when on Amazon, but this is my YouTube review. This is it. I took the front cover off of it. Okay, these are the LEDs. Turned it on with this switch. This is, oops, can't see what I'm doing. This is what you see on the outside, but this is what's actually on the inside when you open it up. Because when I plugged it in, when I pressed this button, it would light up. So I didn't know, you know. So I went over here, got out my measuring tool. This 3 is where the power comes in through the wires on the backside. It's screwed down now because I already fixed it, but took these 3 here and tested power and got 0, even though there was power at the switch. So obviously it was the switch. Tore apart the switch, connected the 2 reds and the 2 blacks together. These are glue crimps, so you crimp them with your tool, and when they shrink down, you can see that it's glued. So it really also protects the wire from getting bent. Then I'm going to take electrical tape and wrap around this quite a few times to strengthen it. And then the light, after plugging it in, it's going to be beaming bright and working. It does not, I did not connect, there, now you can actually see, I did not connect the white wire because when I did a test connect, it didn't do anything. So that's what you do when this light breaks, or any lights like this. You test where the wires, you have to open it up, you test where the wires come in here and see if you're getting power. If you're not getting any power, then you can go back to your switch, because if your switch is actually lighting up, you know you're getting power to the switch, which this was doing. However, if this switch was not lighting up, I would open up this switch. I cut this. There's 3 wires coming out to the light, 2 wires coming in as the power. And you can test these 2, and if you've got power here and no power here, that's also the switch. If you got no power here, then you know it's your plug, and maybe find a different plug. Or so there you go. There's the review on this and the repair procedure on any of them. Have a good one.